Alright guys, I thought I would do another video of this fire truck. So, I know you guys saw this before, but I'm going to be showing a little bit more in-depth look at this fire truck, and even the inside, because I know a lot of you guys are probably curious about it, so I thought I would do that for you guys. So with that being said, we're going to go right on into the video. Moving to the interior of this truck, there is a lot of interesting things about it. This is a retired truck, like I've probably mentioned. Some of the paint is chipping because of how old it's getting. And you can even see like where you would pull a thing to get the horn, and then you can see all your buttons, like siren horn is right there, heat, defrost, front warning, beacon, and all the stuff. Now, a lot of fire trucks nowadays have like radios and a lot of newer stuff, but like I said, I thought it was pretty interesting, a lot of the things that they had in this truck. And actually, if you see right here, there's actually an emergency stop button, which probably is for the truck. And there is some stuff, interesting stuff, even this thing, I guess maybe it's a heater, but like I said, pretty old. So here's the steering wheel. As you can see, this is where you'd steer the truck, and you could use this to drive around. So yeah. Okay guys, so I thought I would show another part of this. This is the inside of the fire truck. Now you may see a lot of the electrical wire all throughout. Now one thing I did notice is there is a little Faraday bell in here, as you can see. I don't know what the heck this thing could be for, why it's here, but I definitely know it's definitely here. There isn't, I can't really see the model, but I definitely know that there's definitely a Faraday bell in here.